I have right here my custom-made mold. This custom-made mold was designed with the purpose of making a copy for the canopy of the small Falcon from a Skywalker. And it's precisely one of the best planes I ever have. That plane is just awesome. It is dirt cheap, but the shipping costs an arm and a leg. It is a wonderful plane, but whenever they ship the plane, usually it had one of the crappiest canopy I ever seen. So since I managed to make one of these canopy plugs, I'm gonna be using it to make a copy for my canopy, and I want to show everybody how it's done. It is a pretty simple job, and it is very easy. What you see right here is a 2-liter bottle of ginger ale, and I'm gonna be using it, as a shrink wrap. And let's go. Right here we have a 2-liter soda bottle that I actually put inside of this piece of luan. It's about a 1/4 inch. And the purpose of this job over here is to have flat sheets of plastic that I usually work with and I put under the wings of my planes. And it gives me a clear window of the electronics that I am mounting, and to see the functioning and see them working properly. So here we go. Lastly, in this video, I will be showing how I make this canopy for this plane. When I purchased it and I came in the box, the canopy was a piece of garbage. It was totally useless, and it was such a hard time to try to use it. So I decided to make my own mold. And right here we have this particular mold that I made. You put it on a 2x4, you shove it inside of a 2-liter bottle, then you use a heat gun as you saw in the past video. I mark it, and once I mark it, I can turn around my scissors and cut it all the way around. So there you go. You have right there the final product. I hope you like it. And in the other end, I do make tons of this stuff. This is a film that I constantly use, and you're gonna be able to see it. Well, right here we have a few of the examples of what I was talking about, the windows that I build into my planes. For example, right here I have the receiver, and I can actually see the LEDs that are inside of the LRS, and I even have an extra plug designed for rebinding in the case that I have to use one of the radios that I have. So I have that. They are open windows. I can actually clean that red paint. That was a mistake. And the other side right here, it's possible to see the 5.8 gigahertz bus cam, and in this window is perfectly capable to be seen. It's a very easy to see window, and some of them I can even bend them to fit the contour of the wing. I have in the other plane cut the hole in the top and make the piece of plastic follow the contour of the wing almost to the point that it doesn't even, nobody can see that there is a transmitter mounted in there. Here is my X8. This is my largest plane to date. This is the custom build. As you can see, it have windows in the bottom. I actually have used some of the plastic that I have used before for windows, and it is exactly the same at the bottom. Right here you can see this is my Army-Lec long range receiver, and there is certain kind of LEDs. I believe that they're gonna be able to be seen right there. Those ones, once you are binding according to the requirements that you have, they will give you certain kind of code and it is nice to be able to see it, because even when you purchase the receiver and it's inside of the case, you cannot see both of the lights. This plane have at the wing, or here at the tip of the wing, have the large video transmitter, and the video transmitter, as you can see right here, you know, it have a full cover right here with the same plastic. So that is a very good alternative whenever you don't have no other choice but to separate, to move all the way from there the receiver all the way to over here the video transmitter. That give you options, and that give you the possibility to have a better configuration, of a more professional look of the job that you do. What I use this type of material is that, as you can see, it have a natural way to turn. Whenever I am installing a video system in one of the wings, I can actually just cut the piece of the wing that I want to be working on. I installed my video transmitter, and I can actually sync this piece of material and confirm, hold, and sustain the contour of the wing and the leading edge. That gives me a perfect surface. It gives me strength in the wing, because once you make a hole, you start to cut out material that you can use in the future, or you can actually lose integrity by the wing when you cut a hole. But whenever you do this and you put this material in top, and in my case I use contact cement, this thing becomes one with the universe. You can see clearly right through the frequencies that you are working at. You have your antenna coming out, and you have all what you need. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like my videos. If you want to, and you find that these videos are useful, please consider to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.